Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is remainder theorem. Before describing about remainder theorem, I want to tell you about the simple division. In simple division, when we divide any number with our divisor, like here we have 3 as a divisor and 5 is the dividend. We have to divide 5 with 3. So 3 1 times is 3 and the remainder is 2. So this is your remainder, this is your divisor and this is the dividend. 5 is the dividend and 1 is quotient. So this is the background that what is the remainder, the remaining term which is left over when we divide any number with some number, and if a number is left, that term is called the remainder. So now come back to your topic, that is remainder theorem. I want to tell you about the use of remainder theorem. The use of remainder theorem is this theorem. This theorem means remainder theorem helps to find the remainder of any polynomial. If we want to do the long division of any polynomial and we have to find the remainder of it, we can use this theorem. So without using long division method, we can easily find the remainder of any polynomial. So this was the use of remainder theorem. Now what is the remainder theorem? This is the main formula for remainder theorem. Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. If we want to find the remainder of any polynomial, we have to put the whole divisor, dividend and quotient in this formula. That's how we can find the remainder of any polynomial. We don't have to do any long division. In this by this method we can find the remainder of our polynomial easily. Now we are going to solve our question of exercise 5.3. It is related to remainder theorem. The question number 1, in question number 1 we have to use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when we have this polynomial 3x cubed minus 10x square plus 13x minus 6 and we have to divide it with x minus 2. We have to find the solution by using remainder theorem. Firstly, you should know that x minus 2 is our divisor and 3x cubed minus 10x square plus 13x minus 6 is our polynomial. We have to divide this polynomial with x minus 2 divisor. But we will not divide it, we will find the answer, we will find the remainder by using remainder theorem. So now I am going to show you how we will solve the question, how we will use the remainder theorem here. Firstly, we should let our polynomial to some, we have to name it. We will name it equals to, for example, let it equals to p of x. Now x is the term which we are going to put, and how we would know that which value we have to put. We will see our divisor. We will take our divisor, like here we have x minus 2, our divisor. We will let it equals to 0. Now the x will be plus 2 because we have x minus 2. When this x minus 2 comes on the other side, it will be plus 2. Now our x value is plus 2. Now we will put our value in the place of x in our whole polynomial. So it will be p of x, like p of 2, it will be 2, and 3x cube means 3, 2 cube, 3, 2 in place of x, 10, 2 square plus 13 into 2 minus 6. So this is the whole procedure. Now we will just open this cube, this square, and we will multiply the terms and apply the basic operations. This was the main method, that we have to take our divisor equal to 0 and then we have to put the value in our polynomial. So now 2 cube is 8 minus 10. 4 square is 2 square is 4, and 13 into 2 minus 6. Now 3 into 8 is 24, minus 10 into 4 is 40, plus 26 minus 6. Now by solving this whole term, we would have 4. So 4 is our remainder term. So we will write our answer like this: by dividing p of x with x minus 2, 4 is remainder.